Hello students, we pass through the topic classification of elements and periodicity in properties, including topic genesis of periodic classification, Dobereiner triad, Newland and Mendeleev periodic table. Next topic modern periodic law and the present form of the periodic table. In 1913, Henry Moseley, the English physicist, performed an experiment by bombarding high speed electrons on 38 different elements starting from aluminum and ending in gold in vacuum and generated X-rays. Moseley observed that the square root of the frequency of the X-rays emitted by a metal is proportional to the atomic number and not to the atomic weight of the element of the electron. That is under root nu is equal to a small bracket z minus b, where a and b, that is called as constant, and nu, that is frequency, and z, that is called as atomic number. Thus he modified the Mendeleev periodic law and gave modern periodic law, which states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. That is, when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, the elements having similar properties are repeated after certain regular intervals. Students, do you know what is difference between Mendeleev periodic table and long form of periodic table? Students, only one basic difference in periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table which base atomic weight, but in long form of periodic table which base atomic number. Here next, long form of periodic table. Several periodic tables have been proposed from time to time. Some were based on chemical reactions and valence electrons, while the others were focused on the electronic configuration of element. The most convenient and widely used version among them is called the long form of periodic table. Here, long form of periodic table. This table is further divided into four parts. First, S block element. S block is further divided into two parts like first A and second A. Next, P block element. P block element. P block element is further divided into 6 group: third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and 0 group. In between S block element and P block element, that is called as D block element. D block element is also known as transition element. Here, downside, inner transition element, that is called as F block element. Here 58, that is called as cerium, to 71, 58 to 71 cerium to lutetium, that is called as lanthanide series of element, and atomic number 90 thorium to 103, that is called as lawrencium, and also known as actinide series of element. Then students, long form of periodic table is further divided into 4 parts: S block element, P block element, D block element, and F block element. S and P block element, that is called as main group of element. D block element is called as transition element, while F block element is called as inner transition elements. Feature of long form of periodic table. This table is based on the electronic configuration of the elements and is also called the Bohr table, as it follows the Bohr scheme to arrange various electrons around the nucleus. Some following features as follow. First, in this table there are 18 vertical columns called the group or families. Second, elements of 1 to and 13 to 17 are called the main group or typical or representative elements. Elements of group first and second are also called as alkali metals and alkaline earth metals respectively. Here first A and second A. First A is called as alkali metal, while second A is called as alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Here S block element first A and second A and third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and 0 group element means P block element. P block element and S block element. S block element, P and P block element, that is called as main group of element. In long form of periodic table, stair-like structure, stair-like structure that is called as demarcation line. Demarcation line. This line is divided by metal and non-metals. Elements of group 13, 3 to 12 are called transition element. Here 3 to 12, that is called as transition element. Elements with atomic number 58 to 71 are called lanthanide, and elements with atomic number 90 to 103 are called actinide. This periodic table has been 7 horizontal row called periods, which are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 from top to bottom. The period number represents the highest principal quantum number of the element. In long form of periodic table, this type of arrangement that is called as period, and this type of arrangement that is called as groups. In long form of periodic table, 7 periods and 18 groups are present. Next topic, merits of long form of periodic table. This table is based on the atomic number, which is the basic fundamental property of an atom, and hence it is found helpful in removing most of the anomalies of Mendeleev periodic table. Some of its important merits are as follow. First, in this table, same position is allotted to each isotope of an element as all the isotopes of an element have same atomic number. Second, other anomalies of Mendeleev periodic tables like grouping of dissimilar elements together and similar elements separately has also been removed by this table. It also explains the cause of periodicity on the basis of electronic configuration. Defects of long form of periodic table. Actually, two main defects of long form of periodic table. First, lanthanide and actinide had not been merged within the main body of the periodic table. Second, in this periodic table, also, the position of hydrogen is not clear, although it is placed in a separate box just above the group first. Here, hydrogen is separate group. This is a complete material of long form of periodic table. Next topic, nomenclature of elements in next video. Thank you.